What's going on? Average Tech Guy here. Today we are back. More tech, more reviews. And today we're going to be looking at mini accessories for the iPad mini. Mini for the mini. You get it? Let's talk about it. So, of course, this is the iPad mini. This is the 6th generation of this device. And you got to have a pencil. This, my friends, is the actual Apple Pencil for the iPad official. Now, cool thing about Apple Pencil, if you don't know about it already, sticks to the side and it charges magnetically. Literally, this thing never goes dead, always stays right by the iPad, sticks on the side, charges. It actually has pressure sensitivity. It senses tilt motions. It works with your quick notes as well as your screenshots. Nothing is wrong with this device. You're gonna pay about 99 bucks to 110 bucks for this, depending on where you pick it up from. But we all know about Apple Pencil. It's just something that's gonna make your life a lot easier with your iPad. One of the biggest drawbacks though is that it does not take you back to the home screen, and it will get rid of certain things, but it just will not, and certain things it will not allow you to do as far as just going back to the home screen. But that is one of my pet peeves about this device. Still a great device, charges, works well. If you're a real artist, this is the device that you actually want to have, not a third party. Not only does it have palm rejection, but it's gonna have that pressure sensitivity as well as that tilt recognition as well. So Apple Pencil is probably a must-have device for any of these newer iPads that are out on the market right now. And the biggest thing that we got to talk about right now is going to be this bag right here. This is a carry-all that I just picked up from the company TomToc. I'm going to be sure and drop a link below so you can check these out for yourself. They come in tons of different colors. This one is the all black, black on black. And one of the biggest things about this is it's small enough to carry just like on your waist, on your hip, across your chest, on your back, but it's big enough on the inside where it is going to house all of your accessories. Now let's actually talk about these pouches on here, because up front you do have a zip pouch just like so, and then on the inside you got a spot to hold your keys, and of course I have a Samsung locator in here, not an Apple air tag in there, but I digress from that point. I got this for free, so don't knock the hustle. All right, so pocket nice and deep. You're gonna put all of your memory, expandable, all things like that, just like this SSD from WD Passport. This one is a 1 terabyte SSD. This thing is a monster when it comes to speed. USB Type-C capable, because this is now USB Type-C capable, and it's going to have those super fast download and upload speeds so that you can transfer data at the blink of an eye. I've done a review on this. If you check my channel out, tons of these on there. Go by and check out that specific review. This is not a review, I'm just telling you what is in my bag, but this is a must-have WD Passport. Probably one of the best SSDs that I've had in my arsenal. And next up, the middle pouch. Now this is where you're probably gonna house the actual iPad itself, and some other things. So you do have two pockets on the inside that are basically gonna be mesh. You have a pocket in front of that that's all the way open, and then a pocket back behind that, which you don't have to worry about anything like rattling around in there. You do get the TomToc logo on the inside, and then on the back part, you just got a whole nother pocket with YKK zippers on them. Then you do have a shoulder strap that has a clamp on it. You can unbuckle that, and this can be adjustable. Like I said, it can go all the way down to the size of about a fanny pack, put it around your waist, and then you can actually make it longer, put it around your shoulder like a shoulder strap, and wear it as a messenger bag as well. Now that that's out of the way, link will be below, check it out. So what else are we going to keep in that bigger portion is going to be this device right here. Now, looking at it, it may not look like much, but this is a fully functional portable keyboard from the company Pluggable. Now, cool thing about that keyboard and this whole setup is this transforms into a stand, and your iPad now goes right on said stand. Set this up. And I actually don't have it on rotate right now, but let's rotate it. bust that screen around, and then you undo this. Now this keyboard automatically connects as soon as you open it up. It actually has little feet that's going to lift it up off the table. Pop those open and you're good to go. It's going to give you extra longevity on those wrists because it brings it up off the table just enough so that you can get a comfortable typing angle on it. Now, we do have this keyboard, but since we do have a keyboard, we need a mouse. And I have chosen this one because it is very slim, very sleek, and it gives you all the functionality that you need. This is the Apple Magic Mouse 2. Now, like I said, it gives you all functionality, and you can see I'm scrolling on my screen just like so with one finger. Everything that you need is at your fingertips. Now, keep in mind the Apple Magic Mouse 2 does this. The Magic Mouse will not do this. You can fully customize this keyboard with shortcuts and everything, secondary clicks, you name it, it does it. And then take advantage of this keyboard layout right here. This one actually supports Android, Windows, and iOS. So put it in your iOS mode and your shortcuts will mostly work. Now I say mostly because let's just try one that takes you back home. And then let's try this, volume up and volume down. So volume up, volume down works. And if you want to lock your screen, that lock works as well. Then one of the biggest things is you can't open it up with your Touch ID because you got to touch it with your finger. And we do have Touch ID. That's one of the biggest parts about this. Touch ID works pretty good. I don't really have a whole lot of complaints about it. But when you are using this keyboard, you got nice travel on it. Fingers are nice and spread out. And it's about the size of a regular QWERTY keyboard. Fold it up, let those down, and when you get finished, you put everything back in its place, fold it back up, and you are good to go. Small package on this keyboard. Only drawback about it is, and this is all I don't like about it, is that it actually charges through micro USB. So Pluggable, if you are listening, if we could get one of these in USB type C, just like everything else that we have, this will be the perfect device for this iPad mini. But as of right now, it's just a great device, not perfect, great device. And it works well with the iPad mini 6. Now, speaking of mini accessories, like small things that we can use with this, this is, you know what this is. These are AirPods. We've used these tons and tons, but they really come in handy when you are working with this device. They're gonna be small, they're gonna be compact, and they're gonna fit in just about any bag, pocket, wherever you want them to be at, they're gonna go. Hook them up. Really easy. All you do is basically just open them up around your Mini 6 and they pop up and they want you to connect it. It's gonna work out. You don't have any issues. And then when you get done, just close them up. Works seamlessly, just like everything else with Apple. And then another mini device that we have is right here. This is a 10,000 milliamp hour battery from Zendure. Now, one of the best things about this is has an LED up front. It's going to tell you how much battery life that you have. It uses USB type C, and then on the other side it has a lightning adapter. So if you still have that iPhone, you can charge the iPhone, you can do whatever you need to do, but it works really well. 10,000 milliamp hour. It does fast charge on your Apple devices up to 7.5 watts. And if you have an Android device, like I carry around a Samsung Fold as well, it's going to do a 15 watt charge on that one. This thing charges up in no time, so you shouldn't have a problem with it dying, but it will fill this bad boy up one full time, and then you'll still have a little juice left over for that iPhone or for that Samsung phone, whatever your flavor is. Then last but not least, you need a case. Now I did have the electric orange Smart Folio from Apple, but I actually went with this one. This is the ESR Rebound, and it's another magnetic case just like the one from Apple. But the cool thing about this one is it protects that pencil on the outside. So I got a full review about this one, but it's gonna protect that pencil on the outer edge, so you don't have to worry about it falling off or hitting a corner or anything and losing it. But it's super magnetic, super strong, and like I said, book mode, You don't have to worry about that flap flying around in the back. Everything is magnetic. It's a great case, trust me. And it costs you about a third of the price of that Apple case. This is the ESR Rebound. Go check it out. All right, so we got the iPad, we got portable power on the go, we got memory on the go, storage, super fast, lightning speed, we got headphones on the go, we got a mouse for on the go, and we got a full keyboard for on the go. Protection, writing, everything that you would need all in one package, and we even have a messenger bag. So this is what we're gonna do. And there you have it. Everything in one pouch. The sling is from TomToc. Everything else on the inside, I'm gonna drop links below so you can check out for yourself. But we got everything on the go, and there are no issues with any of this equipment that I have here. So hopefully this has been able to help someone out. This is my carry-all for the iPad mini and some of the best accessories that I do have. Hopefully you will go by and check out some of this stuff, and it can be a benefit to you as well. Until next time, be sure and give me that big thumbs up, and please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.